a new lizard. Gonna be a Skyblock on a Minecraft PC. So yeah, let's begin. So this is a map built by me. It shouldn't be so laggy. Let's hope that it's not so laggy. So I'm gonna get some wood. Alright, so this is gonna be the start. It's gonna be the start of our day on an island. So this is a map built by me, if you were wondering. Yeah. I mean, I built it a long time ago, and I was like, I have just never played it, so I decided, why not play it? So here we go. Let's craft this into wood. You really don't need this, because, I mean, you do have a bed, and you have got some starter supplies, so let's take most of this here. A tunic, some boots, some leather, and some guns as well. And I believe we should be, let me just see here. I'm gonna need to find what, I should be on easy, and we'll lock it on easy. And back to game. Alright, let's go and equip that. There we go, alright. Now, I'm gonna see if I can get any form of, like, okay, I think, you know what? Pretty much what everyone does is make a crafting table. So I will do that. So we'll go crafting table. I think I'll make myself a wooden pickaxe. So I can gather up some stone here. And I'm gonna, oh my gosh, I haven't even, like, okay, I haven't even made sticks. So let me do that. Here you go, 4 sticks. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There we go, we got pickaxe. Let me just put that there. Here we go. So I got a pickaxe. Now I can go and get, can I get some coal? So we don't need torches like right away. So is there any like stone here on the edge of the island? Whoa, okay. Okay, if I fall, I'm gonna die. Right. Oh, there's diamonds there. Of course, I made this map, so I know what's here. Let's get like at least 3 pieces of cobblestone, please. Oh no, that fell in the void. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. I think what I'm gonna do. Okay, this is a bit scary. Okay. Oh. No, 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 no. Why? 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 Oh. Are you kidding me? You are kidding me. You are kidding me. Oh my gosh, have I got a sapling? Oh man, I want a sap. You know what? I'm sick of this. I'm going back. I'm going to do this again. This is what I was like doing. Oh my goodness. I am an absolute noob. Okay, Q. And Q again. What a fail. First episode. I died already. I mean, come on, who dies in like the first episode of a series? That would be me. And it was only like 3 minutes into the video and I died. You're just like joking me. Alright, let me get more of this. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe it. I'm an absolute noob. Wood, planks. This time I won't need to make a crafting table because I've already got one. Here we go. Let's make ourselves a pickaxe. I did the same thing. Alright, well let's just make sticks. Here we go. Alright, stick. Doop doop. Doop doop. There we go, so we got ourselves a lovely pickaxe. There we go. Let me take the pickaxe and be extremely careful. And try and mine. Okay, there's iron there. Alright. Okay. I think I've like not worried about like, okay, I think I might gather some coal. I'm not worried about stone. I put stone on the edge, and like, I mean, come on, who put stone on the edge of the map? Me, again. For some reason, I've seen other Skyblock maps, and for some reason, they have it like that. For some reason, it feels like I'm in Sky Wars. I don't know why. Okay, let me go back up here, and I'll make more sticks. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Let me just use all of this to make sticks. I got a sapling too, awesome. Why do I want a button? I'll take a button. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it on my little thingy here, and I've got a sapling. Okay, that's good. Let me put my little sapling down there. Now it's time to make my thingies. Let's make my torches. Torches. Here we go. Got 20 torches. Let me take these as well. Let's light it up a bit here. Put a couple of torches down. Alright, let's now hop up here. Alright, I'm gonna just put my dirt in here. Alright, okay, so we've got the iron and we've got the diamonds, okay. Now if I dig down there, yeah, that goes into the map, that goes out of the map, so. Okay, torch there. Plan. I just need to do something. I'm also filling that in if I don't fall. I really don't want to fall. Okay, alright, so this has actually gone okay so far. I mean, I've died once. So, I mean, yeah, I mean, me being in subskin, I think you kind of skip someone. I mean, look, I have no eyes, so I really can't see if I'm like falling or not, you know? I just can't like see if I'm falling or not. Okay. I'm gonna keep opening that chest. Alright, so I'm gonna look at the recipe book and see what I've got here. So yeah, I really can't make that much just yet. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like do some editing like out of the episode and stuff. And then I'm gonna like let's say I might add a bit more stone and yeah. So yeah, I guess I'll do that. Yeah, and I might make it a bit safer by putting fences around it. And yeah, I think I'll make it a bit more safer so we can get that iron, and so that when we can get an iron pickaxe, iron sword, and yeah, I don't think anything's gonna spawn up here. I mean, because we're in the void. Like, look, I mean, come on, we're in the void. I mean, just look. I'm really dodgy with holding shift on PC, so I'm gonna be careful. Ignore those stone because when I was blowing it up, I was here. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll do some editing out of the episode as I said. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe if you're new around here for daily videos pretty much of like this game that I'm playing right now. So yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!